Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to be productive, my favorite tips and habits that I find really helpful with productivity. A lot of you guys have asked for this type of video, so I hope you guys enjoy. But before we get into today's vlog, I want to thank Canon for sponsoring this video. Last time I talked about the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III Creator Kit, and now I'm going to be talking about the Canon EOS 90D Video Creator Kit, which is just as amazing. In this kit, you get the Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera, a stereo microphone, the battery and the charger, and a 32GB memory card. The EOS 90D is a great DSLR camera to upgrade from an entry-level camera. The quality and the speed of the autofocusing is noticeably faster, which is great for capturing, for example, dance videos. This camera is great for taking videos since it has dual pixel CMOS autofocus to make sure that the subject is in focus no matter what. It shoots in 4K UHD or full HD to shoot high quality videos. This is helpful because when I'm moving around so much in a dance video, this camera always makes sure that I'm in focus. It is high continuous shooting up to 10 frames per second, which is great for taking pictures of fast moving objects. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes it easy to use and helps to make sure I'm getting the right shot and framing for my photos or videos. This is essential to any video that I film, especially while I'm being productive, because I can really make sure that I'm capturing what I need. Also, the fact that I can use many different Canon lenses for this camera is amazing. I attached the EF 10mm to 18mm lens, and I feel like I'm constantly showing you guys my room, so with this lens I can really get everything in frame. Get your Canon EOS 90D Video Creator Kit now. The link will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much to Canon for sponsoring this video, and now let's get into the vlog. Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. Today is December 16th, it's a Wednesday. It's currently 9:17 and this morning I woke up at 7 of course to reply to comments, but I actually went back to sleep because today I don't start school until 10:15, so I gave myself some extra time to sleep, you know, get some rest. But now we're up, and for today's video I'm going to be taking you guys throughout my day, but showing you guys different habits that I've gotten myself into and telling you guys tips on how to be productive. You guys love my productive day videos, and a lot of you guys just ask in the comments like how to be productive and what things do you do throughout your day. So that is going to be today's video. My first tip is to wake up at a reasonable time. I always set my alarm to at least like 30 minutes to an hour before I need to start like school or anything like that, just so I don't feel rushed in the morning, because I really love giving myself time to get ready or do anything that I need in the morning. Like today, I start school in about an hour, so that gives me time to get ready, eat breakfast, do some things in my room. Okay, so now I'm going to get out of bed and let's go get ready in the bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom. This is where I'm going to brush my teeth, do my skincare, my hair, all of those fun things. Also, peep my camera. I'm currently using the Canon EOS 90D. I really love this camera so much. But let's get ready.
You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time, baby.
So I just finished my skincare and I don't have to do my hair because I put my hair in braids last night. Yes, my hair is growing now, so it's getting longer and I can put them in braids. Anyways, this kind of goes along with the first tip. If you're like me and you have like a set skincare routine in the morning, give yourself that time so you can really make sure you fit that in, because I love doing my skincare. I never want to miss it. It's just like a fun thing for me to do, so make sure to give yourself time. Before I move on, I have to go say good morning to Sadie. Sadie! Vlogmas Day 16. You're so cute, oh my gosh. Next tip is to make your bed every morning. You guys have seen me make my bed so many times in my videos. It kind of just starts off your day and then it makes your room look so much cleaner. This is my bed. Y'all know about my pillows just stacked over there. Let's make this bad boy. And this is what my room now looks like. Now I'm going to open up my curtains to get some light in here. So much better. And by the way, I'm using the 10mm to 18mm lens by Canon. I attached it to my 90D and it's so helpful, especially when I'm showing off my room, because look how much I can fit into the frame. My next tip is to eat breakfast in the morning. And not gonna lie, I sometimes forget to do this, which is really bad because breakfast is truly the most important meal of the day. It gets you started, it gives you energy. So whether it's like a bagel, some cereal, even like a smoothie sounds bomb right now. We just bought some mini bagels from the store, so I'm gonna get some cream cheese, spread it on that, and then eat that for my breakfast. It's now 10:02 and I start school in 13 minutes. So what I like to do every single morning is create a to-do list. This is so I can make sure I know what I need to get done that day. And also it's very satisfying after you finish something to check it off. So I do write my to-do list on my iPad. You obviously don't need an iPad just for a to-do list. Literally a little post-it would work, or even a note on your phone. I just like writing it down so then I can check it off like I said. I'm using the app Good Notes, and on my to-do list I write the date. Sorry, there's someone mowing the lawn. I don't know if you can hear that. But on my to-do list, I write the day, things I need to get done for school, and then things I need to get done after school. Here is my finished to-do list for today. The first 3 are for school, just finishing up my school meetings. I have something for my high school dance team, and then if I have any homework, then I need to make sure I finish that. And then the last 2 are things I'm gonna get done after school. I have to film something and then also edit this video. But yeah, throughout the day, I'm just going to get these things done and slowly check them off. Now, I'm just going to wait a few minutes until my first class starts. Today is Wednesday, so I have all 6 of my periods. They're all 35 minutes, and I don't know why, but this day always seems so long because I don't end school until 3 today. Usually we end at like 1:45. Wednesday schedule is kind of crazy for school, but that's okay. I'm going to log in very soon. I'm just gonna open up my email and all of those things. 2 different tips I have for school are, number 1, wear blue light glasses. I know a lot of you guys are also attending online school because of quarantine and everything, and the amount of screen time that we have to look at every single day is not healthy. You know, like 7 hours of school on a laptop, it's not good for your health. So blue light glasses, they protect your eyes from damage from that. I like to wear them during school when I'm editing. And then the second tip I have for school is turn your phone on do not disturb. This can be so distracting, and I swear if I check one notification, I will not get off my phone. So just press that and you're good. Also, if you find yourself getting distracted by your phone a lot, you can also put your phone in like a further place from you. So let's say I put it on my dresser. I'm most likely during school not gonna get up just to go and get my phone. It'll kind of force me to, you know, focus in school. Anyways, I'm in my math class now, so it's time to focus. It's now 12:22 and my next class is my dance period. That starts at 12:25. For my high school dance team, we were split up into groups, and then each group has their own genre. We each had to choreograph 30 seconds of a dance. So my group did some lyrical choreo to Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas by Sam Smith. Everyone's supposed to coordinate their outfits with their groups. So my group is wearing a red top and then some black leggings. I also have to tie back my hair into a low pony. I finished my first 4 classes of the day. I'm on lunch break now. It's 1:08. I have till 1:45. I think Christian's gonna get food for me. He's out right now. Oh, and then I also changed into this set because I wanted to be comfy, of course. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's this tie-dye set. There's a hoodie and then some sweatpants. It's literally so comfy. It's like a brown tie-dye, which is so cute because brown has been really popular lately. Anyways, right now I'm going to do some editing. I have to check if I have English homework because that's my next class, and then I'm gonna eat my food when Christian comes home. I'm done with school. I just finished my last class, which was chemistry. I'm always so tired by the end of the day. But now is the time where I would finish all of my homework. Today I only had geo and TV production homework, but then I actually finished those during class time. But let's say I didn't finish them during class time, I would try to finish them right after I end school. And I like doing this because then if I finish it, I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day, and I can just chill or worry about other things. Oh yeah, so we can check off the first 3 things on my to-do list because I finished all the school meetings, I finished my homework, and then I had that little holiday dance earlier. The next thing on my to-do list is to film the integration that you guys actually saw at the beginning of this video. I'm gonna get ready for that and shoot that now. I have finished filming, so I can now check this off of my list. The last thing I have to do is just edit this video. So yeah, my last tip is just cross everything off your to-do list. This is where I'm going to end today's video. Let me know if you try out any of these new habits and how they work for you. This is how I try to be productive every day and how I try to get all my things done. Once again, thank you so much to Canon for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to upgrade to an amazing camera, the EOS 90D would be the perfect one. Again, the link to the EOS 90D video creator kit will be down below in the description box. This camera really does capture everything you need, and this kit is so great. I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas. Christmas is so close and I can't believe it, but I've been having so much fun this month and I really hope you guys are liking the videos. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to go like, go comment on my community tab, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and go cop some Coley merch. I'll see you guys tomorrow back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye!